Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to show you that how to select and then change the color of anything of your image in the Photoshop. So let's start the video. First of all, open Photoshop and import your image. So the thing I have to do is to make a hue saturation layer and then select the color, then make the slider to make the different colors. So let's do so. Click here, make a hue saturation layer, then there is a hue. When you decrease or increase its value, it will change the colors. But there you can see this, it is affecting all the areas in your image. So to 0. Now you need to do is to, at the top of this you can see the hand tool. Select this one, then select your color. Okay, now increase it. Wow, now it's not changing the color of anything, it's now changing the color which we have been selected. Also make its lightness to -15. Okay, now there is a point. Now if you don't want the color changing of the lips, so what do you have to do? Select the mask, then select the brush tool, and make sure that the foreground color is black. You can set it by pressing the D on your keyboard, and by pressing X you can change these switches. Now rub it on the lips. Now as you can see this, it harms the skin. So remove it from the skin gently. So if you have been removed the extra areas, so press X and make sure that the foreground color is white and brush it over there. Then again press X, make sure that the foreground color is black and rub it over there. I also want to not change the colors of the arms. Now that you can see this. Now again click here, make a hue saturation layer, select this one, again select the hand tool, select the orange color, decrease its value. Okay, now if you want to change the color of this one, so make a hue saturation layer, then select this, change its color. But I don't want to change the color of the shirt, so what I have to do is to press Ctrl I on your keyboard. Select the brush tool, make sure that the foreground color is white and rub it here. Now if you want to change the color of the background, click here, make a hue saturation layer, select the hand tool and select the background color blue. I think this one is perfect. So this one is the perfect. Select the background layer and then press Ctrl J. Hide this layer, press Ctrl Shift E to merge all these layers. So this is the before, this is the after. So this is how you can change the color of anything in your image in Photoshop by using hue and saturation. Now I will tell you that how to do these settings with the camera raw. Select the background layer, press Ctrl Shift A to open camera raw. We don't need to change these settings. Select the HSL adjustments. Go to hue, then change reds, yellows, select OK. So this is the before and this is the after. So goodbye guys, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. And please like this video.